Class 5 SOF NSO Previous Year Questions and Solutions Science Part 1. Science question number 1. The given diagram shows 4 gears. Raj applied a force to make the smallest gear P rotate in a clockwise direction as shown. In which direction will gears Q, R and S rotate? When P rotates clockwise, Q will rotate anti-clockwise. So, the C and D option are not the correct option. If Q rotates anti-clockwise, then it will make R rotate clockwise and S will rotate anti-clockwise. According to this, the correct option is the B option. Science question number 2. Shiv lowered a magnet into a heap of iron fillings. He then lifted the magnet up. Which of the following shows what he would most likely observe? Mostly the iron fillings stick to the ends or poles of the magnet because the magnetic force is strongest at the poles. So, according to this, the correct option would be the A option. Science question number 3. Refer to the given graph representing changes in states of water with temperature. Based on the given graph, which of the following statements are correct? 1. Heat is gained from P to T. 2. There are different states of water along Q to R. 3. Vaporization occurs at P to Q. PQ. Ice is being heated. Temperature increases but water remains in solid form. QR. Ice melts at 0 degrees Celsius. During QR, the temperature remains at constant 0 degrees, but a change of state is happening. Ice solid is gradually melting. Water liquid is forming. Both ice and water coexist in this phase. RS. Water is heated from 0 degree to 100 degrees Celsius. Temperature increases. ST. Water boils and changes to steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Temperature remains constant. So, according to this, the first statement is true. Second statement is also true. But the third statement is wrong. So, the correct option is the A option. Science question number 4. Study the given flowchart carefully and select the correct option regarding it. Over here, they have said that H can stretch, yes, but a key cannot be stretched. So the A option is not the correct option. Here in the B option, a glass plate can be broken easily. So the B option is not the correct option. Here in J, is opaque material? Yes. And yes, a floor tile can be placed at box J because it is an opaque material. In the D option, a coin can be placed at box K. In box K, they said that it breaks easily. Although it is an opaque object, it cannot be broken easily. So, the D option is the wrong option. The correct option is the C option. Science question number 5. Refer to the given diagrams L, M and N showing 3 states of matter. The arrows P, Q, R and S represent processes involved in interchange of states of matter. Identify P, Q, R and S. Since molecules of N are closely packed, N is a solid, M is liquid and L is a gas. Here in the options, there is only one sublimation. So if we check if one of the processes is sublimation, then we can find out easily the correct answer. R is sublimation. Sublimation is a process in which a substance changes directly from solid to a gas without passing through the liquid state. Sublimation is found only in the D option. So let us check if P, Q, R and S align with the D option. P is evaporation, yes. Q is freezing, yes. R is sublimation, yes. S is condensation, yes. All the processes satisfy the D option. Science question number 6. Manoj hits a tuning fork and then dips it into a beaker of water. The water gets agitated. Manoj hits tuning fork again and places it on a metal plate that has grains of rice placed on it. The grains of rice dance on the plate. What has Manoj found about the nature of sound? Option A. Sound is a form of energy, and option B. Sound is produced by vibrations. Both options are correct. However, since Manoj placed tuning fork on a metal plate and observed the grains dancing, He inferred that sound is produced by vibrations, which supports option B. Science question number 7. Ritu filled a syringe with water and tried to push the piston down, with her fingers covering the opening, but found it difficult to do so. What does this experiment show? Since liquids do not compress like gas, it became very hard to push. This proves that water cannot be compressed. Science question number 8. The number of pins attracted by 4 magnets P, Q, R and S of different shapes but equal weight is shown in the table. Which of these magnets can possibly be a horseshoe-shaped magnet? In a horseshoe magnet, both poles are at the tip of U shape. Both poles are close together. This creates a strong and focused magnetic field between the poles. It can hold heavier objects than a similar sized magnet. So the correct option is the D option. Science question number 9. Ajay filled up a water bottle to the rim with water and placed it in a freezer. What he saw after a few hours is shown in the given figure. What does it show? When we freeze water, water expands and occupies more space. The liquid changes to solid state. The volume of the water increases when it freezes. Therefore, the C option is the correct option. Science question number 10. Refer to the given figure. Select the option that correctly identifies P, Q, R and S. P is inert gas, R is tungsten filament, Q is supporting wires, and S is glass mount. Science question number 11. A frosted glass and a wooden block were placed near a screen as shown in the given figure. Which of the following shadows would probably be obtained on the screen when a torch is shown directly on both the objects? A wooden block is opaque, so it does not allow light to pass through it. As a result, a completely dark shadow is seen on the screen. Since frosted glass is translucent, it allows some light to pass through, so the shadow appears blurred. So the correct option is the C option. Science question number 12. Refer to the given Venn diagram. Select the option which correctly identifies P2S. In order to answer this question, we can take information from our animals breathing adaptation video. If you haven't watched that video yet, go check it out. S. Animals that breathe through lungs. All mammals, birds, reptiles and some aquatic animals breathe through lungs. R. Animals that breathe through spiracles. Insects, anarchids and myriapods. Animals that breathe through skin is P, and animals that breathe through skin and lungs is Q. Animals that breathe through only their skin are quite rare, that is P. They are salamander and earthworm. As we can see here in the C option, there is earthworm. Q can be a frog. Frog breathes through both lungs and skin. R can be a beetle. Beetle breathes through the spiracles. S can be a snake. Snake breathes through lungs. So the correct option is the C option. Science question number 13. Select the option which correctly identifies X, Y and Z in the given flowchart. This flowchart is actually the flowchart of events in the life cycle of a plant. First, from pollination to fertilization to dispersal, then germination, again to pollination, fertilization, dispersal. The correct sequence is given in the C option. Science question number 14. Study the given table below. Which of the following food webs correctly shows the food relationships of organisms in the table above? Carnivores N and P should be the top consumer of food chains because nothing else eats them. In the options, if we note, option A has P as top consumer, and also L herbivore eats K plants and R omnivore eats both L and K. So according to this, we have concluded that the correct option is the A option. Science question number 15. A bottle with a plastic bag tied around its neck was pushed into a basin of water. Water entered the bottle and the plastic bag became filled with air. Which of the following can be concluded from the experiment? Water takes up space when the bottle was pushed into the basin. The air inside had to move out and went into the plastic bag to fill the empty space. According to this, the A option is the correct option. That is, water takes up space. Science question number 16. The moon's gravity is only 1/6 that of the earth. Select the correct option with respect to the above given statement. A option. We can jump higher on the moon than the earth. Since the gravity on the moon is weaker than the earth, we can jump higher on the moon than on the earth because the force pulling us down back to the earth is lesser on the moon. Gravity pulls us down. The moon has less gravity than the earth, so we don't get pulled down as strongly. That's why we can jump higher on the moon. Moon cannot keep an atmosphere of air around itself. Due to its weak gravity, it cannot hold a significant atmosphere. So this is true. The B option. We weigh more on the moon. Wrong. We weigh less on the moon. So the correct option is the D option. Science question number 17. Mr. Gupta walked along a street at night. He stood at point D and observed that his shadow was casted behind him. He then noticed that the length of his shadow changed as he walked towards the street lamp. Which of the following graphs shows the correct changes in the length of shadow as Mr. Gupta walked from point D to point F? Shadow is long at D because the light rays falls on him at lower angle. As he moves up to E, the shadow becomes shorter because he is getting closer to the light source. When he is in F, the shadow is shortest, possibly almost directly under or around his feet. Length of the shadow decreases as Mr. Gupta moves from D to F. So, the correct graph depicting the length of the shadow as it decreases as Mr. Gupta moves from D to F is the B option. Science question number 18. Gopal compared the mass of 3 fruits using 2 weighing balance. Based on the observation, which of the following statement is not possible to tell? Here, with the weighing scales, Gopal is measuring the weight of the fruits. Volume is the amount of space occupied by the objects. Here, we cannot say whether the apple has the same volume as the orange. So, the correct option is the D option. Science question number 19. The diagram below shows a square metal frame with 4 similar drops of wax attached to the positions P, Q, R and S on it. Tanmay heated the metal frame at one point on the metal frame and recorded the time taken for the drop of wax to melt in the given table below. Based on the results above, at which point did Tanmay heat the metal frame? The wax near the heated point will melt first. So the heated point is near Q. Then it spreads to R, then to P and finally to S. So the sequence of the melting is Q, R, P and S. From this we can say that the metal frame is heated at point X. Therefore, the correct option is the B option. Science question number 20. 3 different types of plants X, Y and Z were selected by scientists who want to document their methods of seed dispersal. The graph below shows the approximate number of seedlings found at various distances around the parent plant. Which option most correctly lists the method of seed dispersal of each plant? Seed dispersed by wind are spread far away from the mother plant, while seed dispersed by animals are scattered here and there. Seeds dispersed by explosions usually fall near the plant itself. Therefore, the correct option is the C option. Science question number 21. Read the given classification chart carefully. Select the option which correctly completes the given classification chart. We know very well that coconut seeds are dispersed by water, so it can be X. And we also know that pea and poppy seeds are dispersed by explosion. As we can see here in the B and D option, X is supposedly dispersed by explosion, but this is wrong as X is dispersed by water. B and D cannot be the correct option. Seeds of cherry and clockley burr is dispersed by animals. Xanthium is dispersed by animals, not wind. So, the C option cannot be the correct option. Therefore, the correct option is the A option. Science question number 22. What will happen when a flask of colored water is placed in a container of hot water for some time, as shown here? When a flask of colored water is placed in a container of hot water, the colored water inside the flask gets heated. As water is heated, it expands slightly, thermal expansion. Since the colored water is in a closed system with only the narrow glass tube for escape, the expanding water has nowhere else to go but up the glass tube. Therefore, the correct option is the C option. Science question number 23. Padma conducted an experiment as shown below by using different materials. Padma pulled on the spring balance until the material was separated from the magnet. The readings on the spring balance were recorded as shown in the given table. What conclusion could Padma make from her experiment? First one, soft iron needs the largest force in order to be separated from a magnet. Yes, it is true. Second one, nickel is most easily magnetized while soft iron is least easily magnetized. This is false. She can't find this out of her experiment. Third one, nickel and cobalt are non-magnetic materials. This is also false. Fourth one, steel makes the strongest permanent magnet. This is also false. So the correct option is the A option. Science question number 24. Rohit prepared 3 setups as shown here. He then poured 100 ml of water into each flask. Which of the following assumptions hold true for the given experiment? If we consider flask L, here water flows normally because there is no restrictions and free airflow. If we consider flask M, here water flows little restricted because here there are some restrictions, but same airflow is allowed. If we consider flask K, here water flows slowly because there is airflow is restricted the most. Therefore, the correct option will be the B option. Science question number 25. The order of expansion of 3 metals X, Y and Z is X is equal to Y is greater than Z. Then which of the following will be observed if bimetallic strips made of 2 of these metals were heated? X expands equally to Y. So if we heat X and Y, they will expand equally. So the correct option is the A option. Science question number 26. 2 substances P and Q were used to fill a syringe. The plunger was then pushed in as shown in the given diagram. Which of the following would be most likely P and Q? Liquids do not compress like gas. Here Q is not compressed, so Q can be liquid. Air is a gas and gases can be compressed, so P can be air. So therefore, according to this, the correct option is the C option. Science question number 27. Neetu set up an experiment as shown here. What will be the level of mercury in thermometers placed in beakers X and Y after 30 minutes? If we measure the temperature after 30 minutes, the sand will be hotter than the water because sand gets hot faster when we keep it in the sun. Therefore, the reading will be corresponding to the B option. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.